more that I would, 'cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Hi guys, good morning. It's about 7:30 and I just got ready. Forrest and Chad are downstairs and I got ready early because I thought Forrest would sleep longer, but obviously he's awake. So they're downstairs. I have not had any coffee yet, so I'm about to head down there. I'm just wearing a workout top and a pair of leggings because I'm trying to make some changes, okay?
What you putting in? All your hopes and efforts are all in vain.
Bye. Okay, bud. It's just me and you, okay? And we're gonna get some things done today. And it's gonna be a good day. And we're not gonna be screaming and crying like yesterday, okay? Should we tell everyone we started this video yesterday, but it was not a very good day, so we stopped? Is that what happened? Okay, so let's have a good day, okay? And over here is where I wanted to do that console table. I was talking about this in my shop with me video. So I'm looking for one that's like a really light shade of wood that has a shelf on the top and then it's open in the middle, a shelf on the bottom. And I want to put like a lamp here and some photos and a few like fun items that are very decorative and cute. So this is all just like sitting here for now. It's been a few weeks now that I've been looking for a console table and I have not seen anything even remotely like what I'm looking for. So as usual, if you see anything, let me know.
You drive, do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feel it.
Okay, it is 8:53, the baby's sleeping. And I'm actually partnering with 310 Nutrition on this video. I have really been liking their shake, so I use this as a meal replacement for breakfast. A lot of you know I'm trying to like cinch up and lose the baby weight before summer. I don't have that far to go, but it's not easy and I also don't have time, so I really like these shakes because I can seriously make this in like 60 seconds and it is so good. It fills me up and it's made with clean ingredients. That's what like really sold me on 310 Nutrition is the ingredient list. There's no artificial flavors, sugars, colors. It's even great for keto, which my husband does keto, as a lot of you know, so he likes this too. And the chocolate is my favorite flavor. I'm going to make it super quick. It only takes me like seriously 60 seconds, so I'll show you how I do it. They even have a Facebook page where a bunch of people share different ideas and where they're at with their journey, their health journey, recipes, everything. So I really encourage you guys to check it out if you need some ideas. So I start out with a handful of ice and then a little bit of almond milk. It's like almost halfway, but not quite. I throw in about a handful of frozen mango. And then I take 1 scoop of the chocolate powder. And this already has a scooper in it. Put that on top. And I like it thicker because I drink this over like an hour. So I make it thicker because it starts to melt, see? And then it's still like really cold. So I'm just gonna grab a spoon and I bring it into here. Plus with mango, it's like super thick. It almost has a sorbet texture with mango. I wanted to show you favorites real quick because there's like so many different products and things to choose from. I wanted to share what I like the most, and all of this is in the starter kit, by the way. So the chocolate, super good. They do have smaller bags. This one is the vanilla. I really like these ones if you're in a rush or if you're not home, whatever you're doing, because it's portioned out for you. This does come in the starter kits. And then the cherry limeade, it's a cherry lime lemonade. It is super good, and you just put that in water. So here's what the website looks like if you are new to 310 Nutrition. description. It's honestly really easy to navigate, and they do have a community section. If you go to the community, it will take you straight to their Facebook page so you can like it and follow along there with everything. There also is a blog, and on the blog is tons of recipes that look so delicious. I always tell chat I'm going to cook, so I'm going to start making some of these. There's so many flavors of shakes, there are reviews and more. Of course, I have an offer for you guys. It's $39 for your starter kit with 310 Nutrition. This is 70% off and $85 in savings. And I wanted to mention that because you are saving literally twice as much as you are spending. I do have a free shipping code for orders over $50 as well. Everything is linked for you in the description box. Check it out. If you're trying to lose some baby weight, if you're trying to lose some weight in general and you want to do it a healthy way, check it out. And try my recipe too. Let me know if you like it. I think it's super good.
When you've lost everything, does it all become for granted with a wedding?
Right now it is 10:58. Forrest is down for his second nap. Hopefully, I hope it lasts. I hope it's a real nap. I'm bringing the tripod upstairs because I'm going to go ride the Peloton and get a workout in. I hope that this nap lasts so that I can actually work out. We've had the Peloton for about 2 weeks now, and we really like it so far. I haven't had it like that long, obviously, so I don't want to say a full review and recommendation and all of that, but so far we really like it. It is a very good workout. It's hard for sure if you're not like a bike rider. It can be a little sore at times, so I'm gonna run up there and get started, and hopefully I can finish. Here's the workout room, at least what it looks like right now. There's not a whole lot in here. The water rower, the Peloton, our shoes in the corner, a box of stuff over here. I think we're going to put up the mirrors that we had in the last room on one of these walls, and I need to get going and put my shoes on. I don't know, again, how much time I have. These are the shoes that go with it, and we had to size up. I think they run a little bit small. So, do you ever get one? Probably size up in your shoes. I believe it said on the website that they don't run small, but we both had to send back our shoes and get a larger size. So I definitely think that they do.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off.
We officially have the world's worst Wi-Fi, so I have to do this later because it's not working on the Peloton since the Wi-Fi is out and the baby monitor is not working. So I'm gonna do this later because I can't do it now without any Wi-Fi. We've had our Wi-Fi for 4 weeks, as long as we've lived here, and we already are switching because it's so spotty. It goes in and out all the time. So as of next week, this won't be an issue. I've never like sat on it and the Wi-Fi is out and it won't work, so that's very annoying. But I'm starving anyway, so let's go make lunch.
Happiness requires work every day. Oh, and if that someone makes you smile and leaves you with a scar, don't let them tell you what you feel.
Lunch is ready. I did use the dressing in that salad bag. I don't always use the dressings because I know they're not that good for you. I just used a little bit, and then I have red beet lemonade. I added some water to this. It's from like a local restaurant. I love this lemonade. It kind of tastes like dirt and lemonade mixed together because that's how beets taste, which sounds terrible, but I like it. Here's what the salad looks like. I'm going to sit over here. Whenever Chad makes us some chicken breast for dinner, he always makes extra so I can put it in salads throughout the week. Well guys, we have a special guest for lunch. This is my non-dominant hand. So that was another 30-minute nap. That's why we're gonna take the baby class. We can help you sleep, okay? 30-minute naps, 30-minute naps. 30 minutes is not a very long nap. Okay? We need to take like an hour. Do you know what I could get done in an hour? Let's get your swing.
Forever, forever, forever.
He's cute. Let's get that. Oh, he's cute. Hello. Hi. He loves this really high voice. Hi. He's cute. He's cute. Hi. Where do you get those beautiful eyes? Do you want to show everyone how amazing you are at tummy time? Wow, look at that baby. He's cute. Can you do a roll for us? You gonna think about it? Oh, thought about it. Whoa, look at that guy. That was a great roll. After almost 2 hours, Forrest is down for his afternoon nap, and his afternoon nap is nearly impossible. So that was a lot, but he's down. I ended up putting painter's tape around his blackout curtains because the suctions, I just feel like they're not working as well as they used to, and there's so much more light in this house that it's like such a struggle for it to be dark enough for him to sleep. And believe me, I'm not trying to make him like a high maintenance baby. If he would sleep in this kind of light, I would let him, but he will not. So can you tell my frustration? It's just a lot for both of us. Anyways, I need to burn off some of this mom steam, and I'm crossing my fingers he sleeps long enough for me to work out. So let's try this again.
Came your way this strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. Is there really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar.
And we spent the rest of our night getting the craziest, wildest babies to sleep. We've implemented some like sleep changes, so I'm really hoping that they work because he sleeps great at night, but the daytime is rough. And I know a lot of you guys are new moms like I am. We're all in this together. So if what I'm doing works, I'll share it with you. Hopefully it will help a lot of you guys. And also don't forget to check out the link below for 310 Nutrition. I've really been liking it, and you can get your starter kit for only $39, which is 70% off and over $80 in savings. And also a free shipping code for orders over $50. All of that is linked below in the description box. If any of you guys have used it, let me know what recipes you're doing in the comments. I've only done that one recipe, and I literally do it every day because it's so good. So I'll try other recipes if you guys have any, at least with the chocolate. That's the recipe I do. But I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will see you guys right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye.